Hello and welcome to one of my another video blogs. Sorry. Uh, this time, few days back, we were designing a bot where actually you can stand on it, or if you want, you can sit even on it, and you would be wearing a hand gloves. And what you'd be doing is you'll be driving the bot with your hand gestures, just waving your hand left will turn the bot left, waving your hand right will turn the bot right. So that's basically a hand gesture controlled bot. As simple as that. Before that, it would be like a skateboard sized device. The idea basically came from when I visited last time IIT Kharagpur. It's a technical institute and one of the best, India's best ones. So what I saw over there is people are riding bicycles. That's a technical institute. I know that's quite sustainable, but again, that's very much old school. So I came back to my campus and I thought, like, what could be like newly made robot or a single-wheeled bot, or a unicycle sort of stuff. But then eventually I'm living in one of the most remote part of India, so material availability is very less. So I had to make something with the stuffs around me. So along with me, two other fellows are helping me out in making that bot. So they're basically making the mechanical part, and I'd be making, controlling all the electronics and electrical parts and the control systems of that robot. What eventually the robot will do is you would be sitting on it, waving your hand, and that will make you go through the road or along the alignment. Apart from that, you can even give it a call, and you can keep a name of it, and if you call that, they'll come out of the parking lot automatically. So this thing will be fixing over to that bot secondarily. What we figured out after making the bot's first prototype, I'll be showing it in my next video blog, is that we are having problems in controlling that through hand gestures. And I thought of like devising a simulation sort of stuff through which where it'd be gliding your hand, and in a computer you would be basically seeing the car that is driving it. So the best solution was to take up any game, racing games. They have very zigzag sharp turnings and all that stuff. So if you can work on it for a month or something, then you can readily get your hands literally working over the bot even. So what my plan was is take up the same hand glove, fix it on the hand, do something in the computer, create a simulation sort of thing over which you'd be gliding your hand, and you'd be literally seeing the car getting controlled through your hand movements, hand gestures. So eventually, as I said, lack of resources, I had to build something out of scraps. So the first idea that came on me, to take help of the game NFS, Need for Speed. So that's having a car into that. No need of taking Road Rash or some other bike games. So I'm not basically a game freak, so I stick to my partners who were making the bot with me. They are having this only game, this Need for Speed. So I called them up, and I saw them playing the game. So what they're actually doing is they were controlling it through keyboards, the forward motion, the stop, and the back, and the handbrakes, and some nitro, they say, that gives a boost to the while you are driving, and the left and right motions, regular motions of the car. So they are basically controlling it with keyboard. So what I needed to do is make something that can control the keyboard for me. Like when I'd be waving my hand, it should press that key on the keyboard that will make the car go left. When I turn my hand right, a button will be pressed in the keyboard that will make the car go right on the game. So no software intrusions were needed actually. We didn't need to go to the API or hack the codes for the game. that basically would make the system much more simpler. A simple hardware hack will do. So what we came up are these hand glove. I'll be taking the camera off and I'll be zooming on it. So here it goes.